Hi, in this video I will show you how to create stunning product banner. You can use it for posting in social media or advertising for e-commerce or anything. So let's start. Create a new design and go to upload. Upload your product image and insert it in the design and choose a background for your banner. I will choose this background, set as background. I will change the color for this product to blue color. Go to edit after adjust and here color edit, select blue color. I think it's enough. And this also I will just make a few change. Now she looks good. Duplicate the image and go to apps and look for image blender. Click blend selected image. I think it is enough. Click save. Now we will change the orientation for the bottle to make it as shadow. And decrease transparency. After go to elements and look for shadow. Change the shadow color. Go to Newton. Go to custom. Change the white light to black light. Decrease the transparency. Now you can decrease transparency again and duplicate it. Duplicate it again. Make all shadows behind of the product. Go to position, layers. Make group and before products. Go to elements and look for something to decorate the banner. I will choose some nut. I'll resize the image. Duplicate it. And flip the image. and change the transparency. Can decrease transparency and add another image. Click on background remover and duplicate and flip it again. Also decrease transparency to 40 to look good now. Change the position also. Click right layer, show layers, and make this behind of shadow. And choose small banner like this banner and change color. We can choose the same color of the bottle. To look good. Duplicate it. And make flip. We can group those banners and make it behind of the bottle. Just go to layers, show layers, and go to text. And you can choose a font as you want. I think glacial is good. Change color also. Can choose this color or another one. Like this color and make duplicate. You can center the text in the banners. Resize the text a little bit. And add some shadows. duplicate, see, that is good. We will add the brand name, change the font, I will choose this, I'll choose this font, I think that font is perfect, and I will add color effect. I will choose the ginger color. I'll add the brand date, so change the color, we'll add a paper shape, and move this text to the left. I think our banner is ready. You can use it for advertising or for posting in social media or in printing also. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe in my channel and see you in next tutorial.